How to create an account in Last War survival game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're starting Last War survival game and want to create an account, first of all, go ahead and open up the Last War survival game on your device. Once you're inside the game, make sure that the tutorial process is finished, and once it is, go to the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Now from the My Profile page, tap on Account from the bottom. Under the Accounts tab, you have a couple of different options you can sign up or sign in with. To sign up with Last War ID, tap on Register Last War ID. You can also sign in with Google or Google Play Games account. I'm just going to click on Register Last War ID option, and once you do that, you'll also receive 200 gems. Now, enter your email address you want to sign up with. Once done, click Send Email. You'll now receive a verification code sent to you on your provided email. Go check your email inbox, and once you receive the code, type it down in the text box. Finally, click Confirm. Now confirm registration by tapping on this blue button at the bottom. Click on Confirm once again. Now you'll need to activate your Last War ID reward card. Click on Activate at the bottom. Follow through the instructions. And you have now successfully completed your sign up. So that's how you can easily create an account in Last War survival game. Now you can continue building your base and growing your army. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.